My name is Alan. I've been working in the Parcel office in the GPO for the last 15 years. We have a lot of experience in wrapping parcels. A lot of people will come in, they'll have like a bag of clothes, or they'll have a toy in a box, or it'll be outside of a box. So it's important to give them good advice. Things that are fragile, we just make sure people have bubble wrap. They're putting them in bubble envelopes, which we have here. And then they're packing them in boxes. If they have many different things, it's a good idea to individually pack. And then when you're wrapping a box, I think it's important not to use masking tape. You know, that sort of stuff hasn't got a great adhesive, so to use proper packing tape.
My name is Andy. I've also been working in the GPO for the last 15 years. I've been based on the parcel counter for the last 5 years. When a customer comes in with a parcel, we have two things we need to ascertain from them. First thing is we need to know what service they want to use, whether they want to use register post, which is an insurable, track and traceable service. Second thing we'd be looking for is also if they need to get it there quickly, because we have a European courier service, DHL courier service, which would have it there the following day. So we just need to know whether they want it there speedily or whether they want it there safely and insurable.
I think it's important when you're addressing an item, you just make sure that the address you're sending it to is pretty big in the middle, and the address it's coming from can be up the top corner. Keep the return address small or on the back, which is preferable, and put the full address to where it's going to big on the front. It's important as well to know that no batteries are allowed of any sort, based on airline regulations as well. So we try and restrict all that sort of stuff.
No liquids, creams, gels, shampoos. The Irish Aviation Authority won't let you send any liquids or anything like that at all. You know, we have guidelines for dates to get people in, but we do try and advise them to come in a week or so prior to that, so we can guarantee delivery of the parcel for Christmas, because if you've gone to the trouble of buying a parcel for somebody, you do want to make sure it's delivered on time for Christmas.
Well, the strange thing I've seen somebody try and post for Christmas, it was a pan of Brennan's white bread.
Curtains of sausages and white pudding.